guys? So hope you are doing fine. Yeah, I'm still in the village. Still in the village, and I'm here. This is a small farm. Yeah. So actually what I'm removing are these blackjacks. Yeah, blackjack. You can see. Yeah. Blackjack here. So okay, yeah, okay. In our farm, yeah, you have this small banana plantation. You can see there another tree. This, yeah. So what I'm trying to do, is that I'm trying to uproot, yeah, this blackjack. You know, at this season, it's like, let's say, this season is. Okay, this dry season, yeah, it's a good time to uproot this thing, yeah, because when you slash, it'll just again regrow, yeah. So uprooting it is that it helps to reduce, that is the number of seeds, yeah, dispersed or that fall on underground, yeah, on the soil. So these plants just depend on animal. Yeah, it's an animal, a type of dispersion of these seeds. Actually, the seeds of the blackjack is uh, animal, that is animal uh, mode of transmission, yeah, or dispersion. Yeah, so you can see this one. Yeah, these are full grown. Yeah, you can see. Yes, you can see these. Yeah, these are full grown or ready to be dispersed. Ready to be dispersed blackjack seeds. Yeah, like this. When you touch, like for example, when I'll just put this on my cloth, yeah, it will stick on it. Let's try and see. Yeah, you see it's remaining. Yeah. So this just when you pass. Yeah, you can see they are all over. Yeah. So as you can see, they are all over. Yeah, these blackjacks. So I'll try to remove. Yeah. So it's just trying to remove them. Yeah. Just remove, you pick it. So, but the problem is when I pick and drop it, it will regrow. That's the thing. That's how these things survive, and it surely grow. It's grow so fast in the field, on the farm. Yeah. So I'm trying to put these things. Yeah. Maybe to reduce it. Yeah, to reduce it, because when the next time they'll just be plowing this field, they'll just slashing them and drop them, and that's how they spread. So this one I can do this by that I can uproot them. Yeah, I can uproot them. So here I can uproot them, and try to put them together so that I can dry there. Then whoever will be here, yeah, will just burn them. Yeah. So burning them, you destroy the seeds, so they won't regrow. Yeah. So my blackjacks, something funny about African village life is that whenever you are there, you just have to work. Yeah. I think there's no soft life or just an easy go life in the village. Yeah, you can't find that's just easy go thing in the village. So I'll try to uproot them. You can see these are plantation. Yeah, so this is the village. Okay, these are banana plantation. That's a small house there. Then yeah, you can see. Yeah, and this is a small farm or small farm here. Yeah, that's the toilet. Yeah, typical African toilet. Typical African toilet. Yeah. The whole one. Yeah. Just drop your things there. Poof. Your things there. Poof. Like that. So I'm trying to approach this blackjack. You can see there are a lot of them in the field. Yeah, and I have a minimal time because I must travel to there and go and see my dad in the evening. Then the next day I have to travel back to the city. Yeah. You can see here in the field that mom tried to so I can see it here in the field or in the village that mom tried to plant some vegetables, yeah, because that's how you do it. Yeah, you have to plant, because if you have this like a small farm, actually no maize that okay, you can get a good amount of maize in field like this. So you have to depend on vegetable, yeah, plant vegetable, yeah, like that. Okay, then I've seen this type of tree, like that one. You can see that type of a tree, this one, yeah. This type of tree specifically planted for to use as firewood or fencing, but it can't do anything substantive. Yeah, it can't do anything substantive. Okay, here in the village, I can say about most houses, yeah, many houses are mud thatched, yeah, semi-permanent houses. And our house here is one of them. So you can see that a person can do like this, then inside um,